Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the PS Store or purchased game not showing in PS5 library. Missing game fixes. The fix one, verify you are signed in into the correct PSN account. So go to the settings, then click on user and account, then click on accounts. Now confirm you are signed in with the same PSN account used to buy the game. If you have multiple accounts on the console, switch to the correct one and check your game library again. Fix to restore your game licenses. So open the settings, now select user and account, then click on other. Now choose restore licenses. Then wait for the process to finish and restart your PS5 and check your library again. Fix 3. Check your game library filter. Open the game library, then select the your collection tab and open the filter or sorting option. Now clear any active filter such as installed, PS Plus or platform. Sort by name or recent purchased and look again. Now the fix for restore console sharing and offline play. Open the settings, then click on user and account. Now click on other. Now open the console sharing and offline play. Disable it already enabled. Restart your PS5. Now enable it again and check your library. Fix 5. Check your purchase history. So visit your transaction history from the PSN account setting. Verify the game appear as a complete purchased. If the purchase is missing, check whether you missed another PSN account. Fix 6. Update your PS5 system software. Go to settings, then click on system, then click on system software. Now click on system software update and setting. Now install any available update and restart the console after updating. The fix 7, clear cache and rebuild database. So turn off your PS5 completely. Hold the power button until you hear the second beep to enter the safe mode. Now connect your controller with a USB cable and select clear cache and rebuild database. Now choose rebuild database and wait for the process to finish and check your library again. The fix 8, sign out and back into PSN. Go to settings, then click on user and account, then click on other. Now select sign out. Now restart your PS5 and sign back in with your PSN account and allow a few minutes for your purchased game to sync. Community reports indicate that it has resolved the issue from some users when restoring licenses alone did not. The fix 9, check PlayStation Network status. Visit the PlayStation Network status page. Wait until all services are operating normally before checking your library again. Now the last fix, contact PlayStation support. If your purchase appear in your transaction history but still does not show in your library after trying the above fixes, contact the PlayStation support. Be ready to provide your PSN online ID, purchase receipt or transaction ID, game title and then approximate purchase date. Goodbye and thanks for watching.